Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus Nord 4 and it's got a cracked display, and David will replace it for us. Let's go. So this OnePlus Nord 4 is still functional. It's got a pretty bad ding on the side of the display. And to be honest, if this is my phone, I would just use it as is. And yeah, it might be pretty bad and beat up, but I rarely perform some touch operation on that side of the display. And yeah, I can just put in a case, but the client that we have right now just wants it gone, wants to start with a brand new display, and that's what we'll do. So the OnePlus Nord 4 will have to be opened this way. You need to remove the cover for the camera on the upper side, and it's got screws underneath it, so we'll have to remove those screws. There you go. There's quite a lot of them. And then we'll have to remove the SIM card tray, since we are removing the entire back cover. You have the SIM card there. Then as we lifted up this cover, we realized that there's two screws on either side of this Type-C port, just like an iPhone. So we dealt with that, and then we can pry it open by going to the side of the display and lifting it up, and the back cover just falls right out. There you go. Internal components, pretty amazing, and the display connector is located on the side of the daughter board. So less disassembly required for this smartphone. You can see there in the corner, that's the connector for the display. So we have our replacement display here, brand new. And at this stage, we can now test the replacement display if it's working or not. I'll have to remove some tapes and attach it to its connector and turn it on. There you go. Turn right on. You have the OnePlus logo, and then let it boot up. Make sure it gets to the home screen. So far so good. There you go. This is the home screen. David can operate the phone using the touchscreen, and it's good. It's a good sign. We can now shut this phone down. There's no way to shut the phone down with just the onboard menu, so we'll have to perform some finger gymnastic on the volume and power button, so we can shut this down properly. Remove the replacement display, detach some connectors, remove the daughter board, and then remove this rubber grommet. So that will allow us to pull out the display from the front. So the connector is now free. So anytime we lift it up on that corner, there's no resistance. But removing the front display on this OnePlus Nord 4 is quite a challenge. It's quite a challenge because of the adhesive. This smartphone has not been opened before, so we took our time and we sliced through some adhesive, and during the process we have delaminated the display, so you can see the glass and like the copper film is already split up. So you slice through the adhesive slowly. You don't want to damage the smartphone components inside, so we'll have to slice it with a blade, millimeter by millimeter. Literally doing that for the entire time, spraying it with alcohol to soften the adhesive, then slicing it with the blade again. And there you go. Now that's clean and done with, we can now put our own liquid adhesive so we can install the new display. And this is not gonna be waterproof, just like the factory. If it's rated for any waterproofness, it's just gonna be enough so we can properly install the new display without it falling off when the customer is using their smartphone. You can see the connector there. They're still in limbo, so we'll have to tie them down, rubber grommet, push that in, and then the daughter board will come back in. We'll screw that, and that's it. We'll have to reverse the process, perform some final testing for the buttons, touchscreen, any imperfections on the display, although we already established that we have a good replacement display. We'll see if it charges, the cameras are working, and we'll give it back to the customer after this repair. So if you're interested for a OnePlus Nord 4 screen replacement, battery replacement, we can do it for you here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And this is another successful repair from David. And if you're not from Sydney, you can also send your broken smartphone to us. And then we fix it here in the shop. And once we're done, we mail it back to your address. And we have lots of customers from the US, parts of Asia, and Europe. So you can entrust your RG phone to us if you have a high-end iPhone. And yeah, if you want that arrangement, let us know. So this OnePlus Nord 4 is now fixed. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. We are a small repair center here in Sydney, and every bit of support counts. This is the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.